Hello guys, you are highly welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video, hi, you're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. The remedy is for all skin type. Okay, the remedy, if you're the type of person that you have a dull face, you have a saggy neck, or you have a saggy face, this remedy will help you. So I'm going to be showing you how you are going to be apply this my beautiful remedy to your skin. Okay guys, the first ingredients I'm going to be using, I need plates. I'm going to paste that there. We need tomato. We all know the benefits of tomato.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
So the first ingredient is gonna be tomato guys. So we need a slice of tomato. Tomato contains high contents of potassium and vitamin C. This transforms the dullness of your skin and restore glow to the skin. Okay guys, that is why I'm going to be using tomato for this remedy that I'm going to be performing. How we're going to be using it, we only need a slight bit of tomato. So the video tonight is going to be very short, and that's it. You keep the rest. So whenever you notice that, you can rub this across the face to your neck to establish the glowing, and this tomato is going to get rid of the dullness of any acne, or if you have a wrinkles, or you have a black spot, you can also use tomato. Okay, and for if you want to exfoliate your skin, you can also use sea salt weights. You can also use sea salt, a half spoon of sea salt or teaspoon. So just try to use half teaspoon of sea salt every twice in a week. It depends the type of skin you have, or 3 times if you are the type of person that you really have a lot of acne, you have a white pores, so you can be exfoliating your face with sea salt. So we know the benefit of sea salt guys. Sea salt can fight acne causing bacteria. It restores the skin natural pH balance. It detoxifies the body. It provides vitamins, minerals and nutrients that the skin needs to stay clear and healthy. Sea salt exfoliates to remove impurity that clog pores and promotes new skin glow. It promotes blood circulation as well. So you want to dip your tomato, or if you have a lemon or lime, you cut it into pieces, into 2. So you dip them. I've used this already for my skin tonight. So you want to remove the stage. I love lemon or lime for my skin. So you want to damp this. We know that also we know is either you use this to exfoliate your skin. Is either you use lemon or lime, or tomato. You can use tomato or lime, either of the two, or lemon, either of the two. They all contain vitamin C. So if you are the type of person that you have a very bad oily skin, you can use lemon or lime to exfoliate your skin. How are you going to rub the lemon to exfoliate your skin. So I'll show you guys. So you want you in a circular motion, okay? You don't have to rub it very roughly, because if you have a sensitive skin, it's going to really damage your skin. You will feel it. So this is how you leave it for 30 minutes and you rub it with a lukewarm water, guys. Or if you have a normal skin, if you have a normal to dry skin, you can use tomato, okay? Or if you have a normal to dry skin, so you can use tomato. You use tomato as well on a circular motion, okay guys? And you can keep it in the fridge as well. And you continue. And you leave it as well for 30 minutes. Let it dry, let it go penetrate to the cell, and leave it for 30 minutes as well. And rinse it with lukewarm water for the good result. You use lukewarm water. You wash your face with lukewarm water for the better results, okay? And if you are the type of person, I have a different remedy tonight that I'm going to be showing you. So guys, the last ingredient I'm going to be showing you is going to be honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial, so it is great for acne treatment and prevention. Aging, full of antioxidants, it's great for slowing down aging. Complexion boost, it's extremely moisture and soothing, so it is help create a glow skin. So honey is very good for our skin. If you are the type of person that you have a rough skin, if your skin is very rough, you can use honey. It's going to moisture to your skin. Your skin is going to be very glow and it's going to be lovely. You're gonna like your skin. So I'm going to be showing you how we're going to be applying it around our face. So how are we going to use this? Some people use ordinary honey every night before bedtime. Some people use it in the morning before having their shower. So if you are going to use it in the morning before going to have your shower, you apply this, you massage it all over your face, especially if you are living in the hot continent. Before going out in the morning, make sure you moisturize your honey around your face. Leave it for 20 minutes and rinse it with lukewarm water for a better result, okay? And if you have a sunburn, you want to use lemon or lime. Lemon contains vitamin C, antioxidants, and it contains a bleaching property as well. You are going to use this with honey, and you damp it that way, and you apply it all over where the sunburn is. You do this 3 to 4 times every day, and you leave it for 30 minutes before going out, and rinse it with lukewarm water for a better result. Continue using these products. You will like your skin, okay? You can choose either of the 3 remedy I show you. You can choose either the tomato or the lemon or ordinary honey.